Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 6th November 2024. In this video, let us evaluate the performance of the high liquidity zones generated in the previous report. Even before that, all of you please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel homepage, you please click on the tab post. Some of you might be seeing the tab community. So click on the tab. You get access to this free training course. Here you have a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. You just click on the link. Now we are into the playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. Here you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are placed in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen our skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this video description. So please join at our Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other very important updates. We will be updating at our Telegram channel. Now let's get into the analysis discussion. Yesterday, end of the day report, we identified only one high liquidity zone. That is the Bajaj Finance. This is the 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone. And today it gave two trades from this zone. First, let us check how we fine-tuned this zone. And also, I am also going to explain one more important concept, retail traders. Previously also I gave you explanation about retail traders in one of the HLQ zones. I think that is almost some 6 or 7 months back. But today, many new members are joined, and again you are listening our videos. Probably you may not be knowing what is a retail trader zone. So this zone is having one retail trader zone. Let me explain that. First, how I fine-tuned this zone. This is a rally, 3 base candles and a drop candle. This is the 75 minutes high liquidity zone identified by our software. And this zone we need to fine tune with 15 minutes time frame. So here I identified a 15-minute zone. So we have a rally candle. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base candles and a drop candle. This is the 15-minute zone. In this 15-minute zone, we need to fine tune with 5 minutes time frame. So I am changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Look here, we don't have a proper 5-minute structure here. A drop candle, another drop candle. There are no base candles. And are there any 5-minute zones here? It looks like there is a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. You have a ERC candle, failed ERC candle. This can be treated as a drop candle. You have 2 base candles and again a drop candle. So can we draw a zone like this? Can we draw a zone like this? You may say, yes, we can draw a zone because this is a drop base drop. This is a failed ERC candle as a leg-in, 2 base candles and a drop candle. Of course, this is a medium size leg candle, part of the base. But why I didn't draw this zone? The reason is it is a retail trader zone. You may ask a question, how can you say it is a retail trader zone? Why it is not institutional zone? Because this zone is created on the special trading session. This is on Diwali day special trading session. Look into the date of this particular stock. This is on Friday, 1st November. At 18:05 you have the leg-in. 18:10 and 18:15 you have 2 base candles. And again 18:20 you have the leg-out candle. And any zones created during the special trading days, mostly we call them as retail trader zones because institutional participation may not be available on that day. You may ask, how can we say? Because that day is mostly special trading days will happen on holidays. And moreover, that trading period is not more than 1 hour most of the times. And during that 1 hour time, mostly retail traders will be participated. And the order flows may not be strong. Because of all these reasons, taking trade in these retail trader zones is quite risky. This is the reason why I always suggest you zones created on the special trading days, please avoid them. Don't trade on that. Sometimes it may give you a successful trades. There could be other reasons. Maybe institutions might have added a new order flows exactly in the retail traded area, maybe to trap us. That may happen sometimes. But the point you should understand, these retail traders, better you avoid them. Don't take any extra risk. That is the reason why I have removed this zone. After that, it looks like there are no trades, right? But today, during the live market, a new 15 minutes fine-tuned zone is created. The dynamic zones. We named them as a dynamic. Dynamic means the zones created during the live trading session. They are also valid zones. In the next retracement, you can plan trades in that particular zone. That is what happened today. Time being, let me delete this 15 minutes zone. Let us focus completely on today's zone. I am changing the time frame to 15 minutes time frame. See here, you have a rally, you have a base candle, you have a drop candle. Rally, base, drop. This is the 15 minutes fine-tuned zone inside this high liquidity zone. Next time in the price retracement, when price retracement will happen, maybe today in the live market it may happen, maybe tomorrow or maybe after some days the prices may reach. But luckily today itself the prices entered into the fine-tuned zone and we got 2 trades. Okay, but this 15 minutes is not exactly the fine-tuned because the last time frame is 5 minutes zone. So let me go to the 5 minutes time frame and let us draw if there is any 5 minute zone. Yes, there is a 5 minute zone. You have a rally, base, drop. This is the fine-tuned 5 minute zone at the proximal line of the 15 minutes fine-tuned zone. This is the area today institutions created the order flow, new order flow. Today they created when during the live market. That's why in lesson 21 I added one special lesson called dynamic zones, because I know many times during the live market you may ignore these zones, but these zones may give us good trades. This is the reason why I have added a special lesson in lesson 21. Maybe that could be the last lesson, maybe in lesson 21. We have multiple videos, maybe around 8 or 9 videos are there. So in that series, lesson 21 series, the last video probably the dynamic zones. So please, in case if you did not complete the lesson, please complete this. Many times we got these trades. This is not today's first time. This is several times during the last 1 year we got such kind of trades. Some of our members already traded such kind of zones. I have seen a few members traded only in such kind of these zones. They didn't go for other zones. Only live market, a new 15 minutes fine-tuned zone is created inside 70 minutes. Then only they went to 5 minutes time frame, fine-tuned, and they took the trades. Previously, it happened. And today also we got this trade, drop, base, drop. Here you see, added small entry buffer and stop buffer. And RR is also calculated here. You have a 15 minute zone. Let me change the time frame to 15 minutes. See here you have a drop, base, rally. This 15 minute zone is our target. Now let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. This is the first trade we got. When at 11 o'clock we got 5 minutes candle we got, and when it reached the target 11 o'clock 15 minutes candle it reached the target. Almost within 15 minutes the trade is completed. Again it gave one more trade. When the second trade again we got at 11:55 minutes candle. And again it pushed the prices to this 15 minutes target. And when it reached the target, at 12:40 it reached the target. This is at 11:55. That means second trade is completed in 45 minutes. First trade is completed in 15 minutes. I think 15 minutes, right? At 11 o'clock and 11:15. Yeah, almost within 15 minutes the trade is completed. 15 or 20 minutes. And what is the profit it gave? Let me open the Excel sheet. Bajaj Finserv today it has given 6,450 rupees profit, 2 trades. And what is the ROA? 4.1% on each trade. This is the first trade. After completing the first trade, second trade is started with the same capital. That means with the same capital today, you might have gained, you might have got 8.2% ROA you might have got. And only one zone we got yesterday, and the same stock today it gave us 2 successful trades. So this is about Bajaj Finance. I hope this information will be useful to you. And also please do not forget about the retail traders, that the zones created on the special trading days, the 1 hour or 1.5 hour or 2 hours special trading days, whatever the zones will create on that day, mostly retail trader participation will be there. So it is always a high risk choosing those zones. This is the reason why I have ignored this particular zone, this rally based drop, I ignored it. Do not forget this point. And I will also add this video into the important analysis video, so that a few members joining in the coming days, probably they will look into those important videos and they understand the concept retail trader zone. Okay, hope this information will be useful to you. Let's all meet again in our next video. Thank you.